How are you?
I am fine.
You will drink tea or coffee?
Nothing.
Do you do any work or not?
No, I don't do any work at home.
Are you married?
I'm not married.
Will you marry me?
Ha ha ha.
Meaning it?
Yes, I accept.
I'm not sure.
Indeed.
I love you, everybody.
I love you too.
Okay, bye. Hello, how are you?
I am fine.
How are you? You are fine and everything is fine in your house.
How are you? You are fine and everything is fine in your house?
All is well in my house. We and I are fine, and I spend a lot of time in private. Because my exams are going on.
Okay, which class exam did you prepare for?
Yes, I am ready because I am studying science in class 10.
Good.
What is your favorite game? Cricket, volleyball, tennis, hockey, football.
Football and volleyball. And what is your favorite game?
Cricket and hockey. What do you do in your spare time?
Book reading or play computer games.
Okay, see you again.
What are you doing here? In the bathroom. I came here to wash my hands and face.
Okay.
Now tell me, where were so many days and what was the matter with me?
I have a lot of work to do in the office. Where are you preparing? Are you preparing the goods?
I am going to my mother's house. Why are you asking? My mother misses her very much. Her call came. She tells me to come home. That is why I am going to my mother's house.
Okay.
Okay, see you again. What's this?
Very soon your mood has become so lovely today.
Where are you located? Today I went out to enjoy the weather.
I'm out of the house because I am enjoying the weather. And where are you going today?
I'm out of the house because I'm enjoying the weather. And where are you going today?